If you're dealing with missing transactions in Stripe, it can be confusing. You expect to see payments, but they're not showing up. Yeah, this usually happens because of filters, delayed processing, or account mismatches. But don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Stripe missing transaction issues step by step. First, check if any filters are applied in your Stripe dashboard. Sometimes transactions are hidden because of date range, status, or payment type filters. Next, check the payment status. Transactions might be marked as pending or processing and not appear in completed lists yet. Make sure you're viewing the correct account and mode. Transactions in test mode won't appear in live mode, and vice versa. If you're using Stripe Connect, transactions may be in a connected account instead of your main account. Switch accounts to verify. Sometimes transactions take time to appear due to processing delays or reviews. Give it a few minutes and refresh your dashboard. If the transactions are still missing, contact Stripe support. They can check backend logs and help locate your payments. And that's it. Following these steps usually helps you find and fix missing transactions in Stripe. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tutorials.